All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing provides fast, dependable emergency roof repair in Media, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses respond quickly to unexpected damage. Whether your roof has been impacted by severe storms, fallen debris, high winds, or sudden leaks, our experienced team is ready to act. We promptly assess the situation, secure your property, and perform reliable repairs to prevent further water damage and structural issues. Using quality materials and proven repair methods, we restore your roof strength and protection. When urgent roofing problems arise, trust All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing in Media, Pennsylvania for responsive emergency service and lasting results. Call us today, All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an emergency roof repair near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing. Will emergency roof repair prevent further damage? Prompt emergency roof repair helps prevent water intrusion, mold growth, and structural deterioration. All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing in Media, Pennsylvania works to stabilize and repair damaged roofing systems to protect your home. How much does emergency roof repair cost in Media, Pennsylvania? Costs depend on the extent of the damage and materials needed. All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing provides transparent assessments and estimates for emergency roof repair in Media, Pennsylvania, so homeowners understand the scope of work. What is your service office for emergency roof repair, Media, Pennsylvania? Our local emergency roof repair Media, Pennsylvania office has served Media, Glen Mills, Paoli, Malvern, Garnet Valley, Nether Providence Township, Swarthmore, Morton, Springfield, Broomall, Havertown, Newtown Square, Haverford, Wayne, Villanova, Radnor, Ardmore, Wynwood, Narberth, Westchester, Pennsylvania. Where is your All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing located? We are located at 11 West Front Street, Media, Pennsylvania 19063. Our phone number is 484-759-9206. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mediapa.